Before you buy any glue for your car bumper, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most strong adhesives fail when exposed to heat, vibration, and road debris. But real users who have fixed cracked bumpers know the truth. It's not about strength alone. It's about flexibility, weather resistance, and how well it holds under stress. Product number 1, GH1200 2-in-1 Super Glue with Brush. This GH1200 glue caught my eye because it comes with both a brush and a nozzle, something rare in super glues. Priced at $11.56 and with over 10,000 sold recently, it promises to never dry out and gives you full control. If you want precise application on small bumper cracks without the mess, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Car bumpers are made of flexible plastics like ABS or polypropylene, and they flex while driving. Regular superglue can become brittle and crack again, but GH1200 uses a 3000 CPS cyanoacrylate formula that stays slightly flexible after curing, reducing re-crack risk. The brush lets you apply thin layers into hairline fractures, and the nozzle works for wider gaps. Plus, it dries clear and sets in 10-40 seconds, fast enough to hold parts in place while you align them. Now, some people complain that the brush can fray after a few uses, making precise application harder. Here's the thing though, for bumper repairs, you're usually only using it once or twice, so long-term brush durability isn't a deal breaker. Just don't expect to use it for crafts afterward. This is perfect for you if you're fixing small cracks or loose tabs on plastic bumpers and want clean, controlled application. Skip this one if you're dealing with large splits or need structural reinforcement. It's strong, but not meant for load-bearing repairs. At under $12, it's a great value for minor fixes. Product number 2, KRAFTPROTZ All-Purpose Super Glue. Next up is KRAFTPROTZ, a no-nonsense, all-purpose superglue at $12.20 with a generous 50g bottle. Over 5,000 sold in the past month, and it's waterproof, heat-resistant, and has an anti-clog tip. If you want a reliable, long-lasting glue that won't quit when the weather turns, this one's solid. Many glues soften or degrade under humidity, but KRAFTPROTZ is rated for outdoor and indoor use, withstanding temperature swings without losing bond strength. Its medium viscosity formula flows smoothly into cracks without dripping, even on vertical surfaces. And because it's 1.75 Oz, you get way more product than typical tiny tubes, enough for dozens of repairs. Here's the thing though, that's less about the product and more about handling. Just work in a well-ventilated area, wear gloves, and keep it away from fingers. Once cured, it's safe and stable. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable multi-surface glue for quick bumper fixes and other household repairs. Skip this one if you're repairing large structural damage. It's strong but not engineered for high-stress automotive loads. For the price and quantity, it's excellent value. Product number 3, Muvcal Heavy-Duty Plastic Glue. Now, if KRAFTPROTZ felt too general, this next one takes a completely different approach. Muvcal is laser-focused on plastic. At $12.84 for 100g, it's a gel formula designed specifically for plastics like ABS, PVC, and even 3D printed materials. Over 3,000 sold recently, and it dries clear with zero odor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Car bumpers are almost always thermoplastic, and generic glue often doesn't chemically bond well with them. Muvcal uses a specialized plastic welding formula that actually fuses with the material, creating a bond that's nearly as strong as the original plastic. The gel consistency won't run or drip, so it's perfect for vertical or overhead repairs. Plus, it sets in seconds and cures fully in 24 hours, ideal for detailed work like reattaching cracked bumper clips or trim pieces. Now, some people complained it doesn't work well on metal or glass, which is true, but that's not what it's made for. Here's the thing though, if you're only fixing plastic bumpers, that's actually a strength. It's optimized for the exact material you're working with. This is perfect for you if you're repairing plastic bumpers, model cars, or household plastic items and want a strong, clean bond. Skip this one if your repair involves mixed materials like metal brackets. For pure plastic work, it's one of the best values under $13. Product number 4, Vicpricme Metal and Multi-Surface Epoxy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious bumper damage, Vicpricme's Epoxy Glue. At $12.84, it's a two-part epoxy that bonds metal, plastic, ceramic, and more. It sets in 5 minutes and cures to steel-like strength. Over 2,000 sold, and it's waterproof and heat-resistant up to 548 degrees F. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Deep cracks or broken mounting points on bumpers need structural support. Super glue holds surface-level cracks, but epoxy fills gaps and rebuilds missing material. This one comes in a 1:1 syringe, so mixing is foolproof, no guesswork. Once cured, you can sand, drill, or paint it, making it ideal for repairs that need to look and feel factory finished. It also handles engine bay heat and cold weather without cracking. Now, some users said the gray color stands out on black bumpers. Here's the thing though, you can easily paint over it with plastic primer and bumper paint. It's meant to be finished, not hidden. This is perfect for you if you're fixing large cracks, broken tabs, or need a repair that lasts years. Skip this one if you want a quick, invisible fix. It takes 24 hours to fully cure. But for durability, it's unmatched in this price range. Product number 5, PLJOFRSHI Heavy Duty Welding Epoxy. Finally, if you're dealing with serious bumper damage like cracks near mounting points or holes from impacts, this PLJOFRSHI epoxy is built like a weld. Also $12.84, and with 800+ sales, it's a cold welding epoxy that mimics metal repair. It bonds plastic, metal, aluminum, and more, with a cured strength of 4,680 psi. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most bumper failures happen at stress points where flexibility and strength are both critical. This epoxy doesn't just stick. It forms a rigid, impact-resistant bond that can handle vibrations and minor collisions. The 1:1 mixing syringe makes application easy, and it cures gray so you can shape and sand it to match the bumper contour. Now, some people said it's tricky to mix evenly without bubbles. Here's the thing though, take your time, stir for a full minute, and apply in thin layers. The extra effort pays off in durability. This is perfect for you if you need industrial-grade strength for cracked bumpers, motorcycle fairings, or even exhaust leaks. Skip this one if you're doing quick cosmetic fixes, it's overkill. But for long-term, reliable repairs, it's one of the toughest options out there. So which one should you pick? For small cracks, go with GH1200 for precision. Need all-around reliability? KRAFTPROTZ delivers. Pure plastic bumper fix. MUV calls your best bet. For structural damage, Vicpricme or PLJOFRSHI epoxy will give you weld-like strength. Each has its place, it just depends on how bad the damage is and what you're fixing. Pick the right tool and your bumper will stay strong for years.